Your DJI Osmo Pocket might be recording great videos, but if you're not using the right settings for TikTok, Shorts, or Reels, your clips could look flat or low quality. Most creators miss these key settings until their content doesn't get the attention it deserves. In this video, I'll show you the best camera settings to make your social media videos stand out. By the end, you'll be ready to shoot like a pro. So let's set it up right now. Settings 1. Video rotation. First, turn on your camera. Swipe down to bring the menu options. Now look for a small icon that shows the current orientation next to the gear icon. Tap the icon to select portrait. This is the perfect frame for your social media videos. Settings 2. Set resolution and frame rate. Now, from the home screen, swipe up. Here you will get the resolution option. Choose 3K for sharper detail, which I recommend. Now pick the frame rate 30 FPS, which is the standard for social media. Now look at the top right corner. You will see 9:16 text, which stands for aspect ratio. If you tap on it, it will switch to 1:1. This aspect ratio is square size. If you tap again, it will switch back to 9:16. And this is the wide angle size. And this is the standard video ratio for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Settings 3. Set gimbal stabilization mode. Swipe down to bring the control center. Now select the gimbal modes from the right corner of the second row. Here you will get 3 options like follow, tilt, locked, and FPV. Select tilt locked. It keeps tilt steady. This is good for steady forward shots. And that's it. These are the best DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera settings for social media videos. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.